Okay, let's talk about Mars. Speaking of Mars.
Mars.
Were we speaking of Mars?
I don't think we were, but you know.
But that's okay.
Maybe Bruno Mars was in there somewhere.
Yes, he was in there, speaking of Mars. Okay, so Mars is actually pretty small. It's about half the size of Earth, which a lot of people didn't realize. Its mass of Mars is only 10% of the size of Earth. Did you know that? It's so small.
Yeah,
Well,
I didn't know that.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't. But it has the same amount of land mass, is my understanding, because even though it's so much smaller, it doesn't have the water that Earth has. They have only traces,
Oh, so
like
we need
minute
that water,
traces.
though, right?
Yeah. I mean, a big part of the Earth is water.
Okay, and another fact about Mars, because we are doing facts about Mars right now, is Mars has the tallest mountain in the solar system.
It does. Wouldn't
That's
that be
crazy.
awesome?
So their mountain is taller than ours,
Right.
than any of our mountains.
Right.
That's crazy.
And I don't know if the mountain is dust, or because I know they also have like the largest dust storms in the worse than Saudi Arabia and places like that.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
It is crazy.
And one of the Mars moons is going to crash into it eventually.
Really? When is that going to happen?
Anywhere from 10 million years, and some scientists say it could happen in 50.
Really? Then why is that even a fact? We'll all be dead. The Earth will probably not be here anymore by then.
So you guys watch out, anywhere from 10 to 50 million years.
Now, Johnny, I
Mars.
hear that you're thinking about taking a trip, speaking of Mars. This is why this came up.
Yeah, the one-way trip to Mars is really
one-way
the
trip.
thing that's going on. And a Dutch company is looking for volunteers right now to depart in 2022. So that's not that far from now. And you'll be landing 7 months later. You'll get there in 2023.
Okay. And you're going to camp out for a while, or?
You're not coming back.
You're not coming back.
It's a one-way trip.
One-way trip.
Yeah, and you're pretty much going there to die. So 10,000 people have showed interest in this, have sent emails and signed up.
What do you think? Would you consider doing that, Johnny?
Hell to the no.
No.
The technology to return doesn't exist. So if you go, you're gone.
You're gone. You ain't coming back no more.
If you are interested, you must be 18 or older to apply. It's a $38 fee to apply. So if you want to pay $38 to never come back to Earth.
Hey, you know what?
There you go.
There's some people. There was probably a time in my life where I might have considered this to get away from certain people.
And it's a $6 billion thing, and we are out of time. I thank you
we're
very
out.
much,
We're on our
Judy.
way to Mars.
I
people.
love you.